Hi, welcome to this Jumpstart tutorial for the SMS Task Manager. If this is your first time in the program, you will need to set up some general preferences. You need an SMS supplier. We recommend Tritel because it's both affordable and fully featured. And once you've signed up, you can then put in your username and your password, and there's other information like the default country code, which is 61 for Australia, and you do need that to be able to send messages. If you wish to keep a log of all your transmissions, put a tick in that box, and you will find your data in a subfolder called data under this folder. You can change that, of course, if you wish. So save that record, and we'll start to have a look at some of the other features in this program. So the first one is, if we have a look at groups under the file menu, you can see we've already added two groups, one for work and one for family, and you can associate any number of mobile telephone numbers to each one of these groups, or as many as you wish to associate, and I'll show you how that works in a moment. So you can send a single SMS message. You just type in a number. I think that was enough digits. Now, if you need, you can click on this button and look up existing contacts, and it will automatically fill those fields when you select them. Type in your message, and then when you're ready to send, click on the Send SMS Message. You will receive a little message back saying it was successful or that it failed, so you know where you are. You can clear the message text to retype something new, and you can also add that number on the fly to the contact list. So if we say this one is Joe Smith, and we click on OK, new contact is added. And if we move to the next item, names and mobile numbers, you can see that there's Joe Smith already added. We can add another name, so in this case we'll say this is Jill Smith, and her number, and the automatic country code has been invoked, and obviously we have a slight problem with that number there. Now it's all corrected with the right number of digits. So you can also, if you wish, import contacts from an Excel spreadsheet. The format is listed here, and you select your Excel spreadsheet. If the top line contains description information, put a tick there. View those items to be imported, so there's 3 telephone numbers, and we click Add to the contacts file. The records have been added. We close, and there we can see all of our imported numbers are in here as well. So over here, if you wish to allocate a group to somebody, so let's just say that William Jones is part of the work group. You just highlight it, drag and drop, and now he's associated with the work section. So now we should have a look at our timed SMS tasks. You can do individual tasks like send a message to say Alan Smith, and here's your message. There is the date and the time that you want it to be sent, and you then save that particular message. You can also send bulk messages. So if you've got a message to send to many people, then type in your message, and you've got the date and the time that you want it to be sent, and you can then highlight using the standard Windows formula, and in this case we're going to send it to 3 people. So we add the bulk messages, and there you can see that we've added 3 bulk messages. You can send individual messages now if you wish by clicking on there, but in order to activate these items waiting to be sent, we must click on the Start Timer button. And this one records all the transactions that go through the process. But to start with, we must start the timer process. So you notice here that says the timer is not active. When you click on this button, it says that it is now active, so that you know that these tasks are going to be sent at the appropriate time. Once you have a list of various transactions, you can clear them, or you can save them to the log at that particular time. If you want to send this to the system tray, down in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, then just click on the Send Application to System Tray. So that really is the quick Jumpstart tutorial. Thank you.